Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering clear job information before opening the Indeed posting form. Choose a concise job title and stay under 100 characters for best visibility. Specify city, remote option, and exact location to improve candidate matches. Set a salary range using numbers, for example 0, 000 to 0, 000 annually. Write a clear job summary within 5,000 characters focusing on duties and outcomes. List required skills, certifications, and experience levels with specific years, if applicable. Prepare 3 to 5 screening questions to filter candidates effectively and quickly. Sign in or create an employer account on Indeed to begin posting jobs. Click Post a Job and select the appropriate company profile and employer name. Enter the job title, location, and job type like full-time or part-time. Paste the job summary and add bullet responsibilities using clear verbs and measurements. Add application preferences, choose email or Indeed Apply, and set resume requirements. Preview the listing carefully and edit any typos before you continue to sponsor options. Save as draft or continue to set budget and scheduling for sponsored posts. Choose to publish a free job post or sponsor it for wider visibility and speed. When sponsoring, set a daily budget, for example 0 per day, and target audience. Use applicant tracking tools in Indeed to rate candidates and schedule interviews faster. Respond to candidates promptly and record notes to streamline the hiring decision process. Close the job posting when filled and leave feedback to improve future postings. Check performance reports to see views, applicants, and cost metrics monthly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.